Happy Monday. It is 9:50 in the morning and I'm about to go out for breakfast with my friend David. Hey. Okay, so we're in the car. What a surprise. It's like I'm always in the car every video I make, or the last few videos that I've made. We're on the way, or we're about to be on the way to get my brother, but today I got invited to a game night. Game night, which I'm excited to go to. For the game night, we're told to dress in pajamas, so it's a pajama game night, and I'm pretty excited to be there. So what are you wearing today, Miss Mommy?
I am wearing my two-piece green cotton PJ set that my wonderful daughter Kamaya got me for Christmas, and these nice boots. They're super comfortable and cozy.
Ooh.
They got the fur in them. I'm falling. That is what I am wearing today. My green for the holidays. What are you wearing today, Kamaya?
So first things first, I'm wearing what I always wear, a Hooters hoodie. Then I'm wearing my Brunch pants and my new Crocs that I got for Christmas. It is the first and I'm excited. We're about to go get some brunch. Look how cute this is. They gave us a little bottle of bubbly.
We were advised not to smell this one during Candle Day. Who thought this was a good idea? Oh.
All right, we're back home. We're in pajamas. We ate brunch. We went to Bath and Body Works, and this is what I got. So first things first, I got the Book Loft candle. It's a single wick. It kind of smells like paperback books a little bit and a hint of like something sweet. Next, I got cinnamon spice vanilla candle. I have the 3-wick one back home, but it burns weird and I'm kind of nervous about that. I'm nervous about it exploding, so I got the single wick one as well. And Bath and Body Works was having a 75% off sale. So I got a lot for me, because typically I buy like one item and call it a day. But I bought 6 items. Next is the Vanilla Bean Knoll. I actually bought 2 of them because I love these down. I love it down, 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 girl. Then after those things, those 2, I got the iced ginger snap room spray. This is my favorite room spray, and also the champagne toast is my favorite as well. Last but not least, I got the cinnamon sugar pretzel cookie perfume. I like to smell edible. I layer a lot of vanilla scented things, so body wash, lotions, perfumes. So yeah, but that was my haul. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year!